Hello, this is Ken Button with Radix, and I'm going to show you a quick screencast of a website we built in accelerated mobile pages for a client in Auburn, Indiana. If we type in Auburn, Indiana lawyer, I use my incognito browser, we can see um, we've got them number one in the maps there, and they're number two in search for Auburn, Indiana lawyer, just D as a conglomerate. So how quickly does this website render? All right, so it's super fast, as you can see here. I can scroll up and down without problems, and you can see here. You can go to any one of their particular um, different legal services they offer, and even with large pages, it renders fast. So it's a much faster website than their previous WordPress website was. Now, this Discuss Your Case is getting 8 to 12 leads every single month for them. The conversions have gone from 0 with their WordPress website every month to 8 to 12 new leads every single month. So that's the impact that AMP can have. An accelerated mobile pages website can truly be a game changer for the results of a website. Now everybody's got their different opinions of what makes a good website and what doesn't make a good website. But there are actually objective third-party measurements that you can use to measure a website. You can go to the Chrome Web Store and get this Lighthouse extension and click it on any website and generate a report. And I've already generated one to save some time here. We'll go ahead and close off and see how the Squiller and Hamilton website performs. 95, 96 out of accessibility, 100 best practice, SEO is 100. Now the first content paint is 1.7 seconds. Basically, is 3.5 seconds to interactivity, and this is on a mobile network, a slow simulated Nexus 5 network. So there you have it, folks. It's it's a better user experience, far more conversions, and you're retaining your users with a accelerated mobile pages website. Give us a call at 260-577-3009 if you have interest in an AMP website, or find us on the web at cloudradix.com. Thank you.